My ass like the drum. Now who chewed my remote? Dixie or Sandy?
How to recall your dog. Park. Smile.
Cyrus, the people want to know, can we get an a whoop?
No! 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 No!
I love you so much, Mila.
You know, it makes me really sad that people hate on others for using certain voices with their dogs. Because the thing is that he doesn't know that I'm talking to him. And next I start talking like this.
Get your paw off the table. Get your paw. Get your paw off the table. Baby.
No! Don't you hit me. You're such a baby.
I don't know where to draw the line.
Not here.
Nothing really.
You see,
No.